This is the updated report of a newscast we just broadcast to you. Third man in Grand Spend gun attack succumbed to injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who was shot and injured in a gun attack that took place on Morgan's Lane, Grand Spend, St. Andrew on Friday afternoon succumbed to his wounds while being treated at hospital. He is the third person to have died from the incident, which took place about 5:30 p.m. in which it is alleged the Dunford the community bomb shop bomber Miller and his brother, known only as Joe, became the latest victim to gun violence in the Grand Spend community area. Miller and Joe died on the scene while their bodies remained on the ground for hours before they were removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. According to reports, a car drove into the area from which man alighted and opened fire on a group of men that included the alleged Dunford the area. The attackers returned to the motor car and made a speedy retreat from the community. It is the second shooting incident that took place in the community within a matter of weeks, as on March 17, a man reportedly opened fire at individuals he had a dispute with. He was shot and hospitalized and is now on the police guard. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.